Mitraya Namaha. Welcome to Energy Circle's VSP Trinity channel. How to stay rich and abundant. Why money does not grow? This is the frequently asked question. Let me tell you, secret money mantra revealed. Welcome to Inner Vision Talk Series number 8, The Secret of Riches. First, understand money if you really want to be rich and stay rich. The superpower money mantra revealed. Mitraya Namaha. Yes, how to stay rich and abundant? Why money does not grow? One who incurs the wrath of others, particularly the female, one who is lazy, one who throws money upon filthy entertainment and fun, one who encroaches into the profit margins of the poor and downtrodden through nasty bargaining nature, one who lies constantly and pretends poverty, one who cheats or backstabs the innocent for the sake of acquiring wealth and riches, is deemed to suffer from such miserable situations where money fails to be of any use. Yes, there are people who have so much money, but money does not help them. There are so many people working hard, but they were not able to accumulate money. There are so many people who toil day and night, but they are hardly able to meet their ends. The secret of riches. One who is rich and wealthy is considered as Lakshmi Putra, the son of goddess Lakshmi, the wealth manifester. But not everyone is rich and wealthy. There is a big secret behind money, the secret of riches. There are mantras and rituals, tantras and mudras revealed in our ancient scriptures to appease the goddess of wealth. But they fail to work if one does not understand the basic secrets of riches. Money does not stay with them who choose to treasure their wealth in safety lockers. Money hates to come towards them who consider that all wealthy people have become rich only due to corruption or misdeeds. This is their indirect hatred towards money. That is how they are cursing themselves that they should never get money, because they have programmed that money belongs to only the crooked. Money hates to come closer to them who keep on announcing that they are poor and worthless. Lakshmi Chanchalya Rupa. Let money be in rotation. Respect wealth and love money. That is the most important factor. Whatever be your business, you will have good income and profits if you enjoy others sharing your profits in some way. That is, you have to create such business where others too have opportunities to grow along with you. Let them earn. They are not going to get money free of cost. Your business should branch out in such a way that you are able to offer employment to many, offer some commission for their work, offer a remuneration for their caliber. So, in a chain frequency, you are helping others also to become wealthy or make some money out of you. Such business will have stronger roots and longer shoots. If you are dependent on workers, keep them happy by rewarding and appreciating them when they give their best. If you cannot bear with them, gently remove them from your work zone, but don't maintain such idiots by paying peanuts. You know you'll be wasting your time, you will get angry, you will curse them, and it will boomerang. Instead of cursing him, scolding him, or insulting him all along, Wealth stays with them who are cheerful and happy, who are not grumbling and fighting. Lakshmi does not like faces which are always in sorrow and gloom. Let money be in rotation. Lakshmi Chanchalya Rupa. Understand money, how to stay rich and abundant. Why money does not grow? That's a big question. Respect wealth and love money. Misers, people who are conjuice, people who don't like to pull out a rupee from their pocket, such misers may feel that they are saving lot of money. But the inflow in their lives narrows down. This does not mean that they should be spendthrift. You need to be careful, of course. Respect money. Respect the greatness of wealth, which gives an opportunity even to the crooked and wicked. But when they fail to realize its value, it ultimately teaches them a lesson that money could not save them in bitter situations and miserable conditions. Money comes into their lives who maintain cleanliness, love, gratitude, and empathy. Understand, money should not be put into prison. Money should not be locked. Money is of many forms. Understand this. If you want money to grow and stay while you experience abundance, follow these simple rules. Understand, having money is different from experiencing abundance. What is abundance? Abundance is things falling in the right place for you and money never being a problem. That is abundance. It is not the huge palace-like houses. These are not those lavish cars. It is not what you eat. You will not eat gold and diamonds. Ultimately, it is joy, peace, happiness, and that homely atmosphere retained in the house with love, harmony, and togetherness. If you want money to grow and stay while you experience abundance, follow these simple rules. 1. Never talk negative about money and riches. Money is pure, though the possessor may not be. The second one, see that you create opportunities for others to earn as you earn your rightful share. The third one, never resort to cutthroat bargaining. If you feel unjust, just move away. Don't bargain with the vendor in such a way that he gets irritated. You are not treating him as a businessman. You are considering him as a cheat. And if they are really cheats, just move away from them. But don't try to squeeze out their profits. Next, be a hearty host and create occasions to honor a guest or friends to join you at your dining table. Atithi Devo Bhava. A house full of abundance, people who are truly rich, people who want to be rich, people who want to remain rich, they will have many guests at home to share their dining table. They enjoy feeding others. So many guests will be coming regularly. Atithi Devo Bhava. Houses which do not welcome guests. Atithi is Swayam Vishnu. Such houses will never be in abundance. There will be a lot of financial problem. Let money be on rotation and let turnover bring you fortunes. That is the big secret. So, Lakshmi Chanchalya Rupa. You cannot hold money in your cupboard or in your safe. Understand, people who have got bundles and bundles of currency in their rooms, in their cupboards, in their banks, they are the people who are not happy. They are lonely. They are into solitude. They don't have relatives. They cannot eat money. They cannot eat what they want. And there are so many health problems. Money does not give you life. Life gives life to money. So understand, you have to respect wealth and love money. Money should be in a rotation form. That is important. People who have accumulated such filthy filthy, stinking money, they have all got the next generation's suffering. Remember, one who incurs the wrath of others, particularly the female in the house, one who is lazy, one who throws money upon filthy entertainment and fun, one who encroaches into the profit margins of the poor and the downtrodden through nasty bargaining nature, one who lies constantly and pretends poverty, one who cheats or backstabs the innocent for the sake of acquiring wealth and riches, is deemed to suffer from such miserable situations where money all around, that money fails to be of any use to him in such situations. Remember this. This is a secret technique of retaining the riches. I told you, we asked at first how to start, how to stay rich and abundant, why money does not grow. I am telling you the secret of riches. In this Inner Vision Talk Series number 8, the secret mantra is revealed here. Receive the mantra through your right ear with great love. I don't give you ordinary mantras. They are not easily available everywhere. I pick up very rare mantras and I give you in a very systematic manner. Taddashamsha homam taddashamsha danam, say our scriptures. Consider 80% of your legitimate income as yours. 10% should belong to religious, spiritual activities. You can spend that 10% towards pilgrimages, or you can give a donation to someone who is lacking money to go on a pilgrimage. You don't have rights on that first 10%. If at all you feel short of money, you can borrow from that chamber. That 10% you can write it down on a paper as your accumulation towards the spiritual donations, the homa, and you can use the money when you really need it. But that money belongs to spiritual activity. And the next 10% should be generously spent for charity to the needy and deserving. Never let others know about the charity again. Gupta Danam, Danam Guptam. If you keep on telling others that you have been doing charity, if you are giving money and donations to get publicity in the papers, if you are doing it for somebody to recognize you, it is not Danam. Guptam, Danam. Danam is Guptam. Remember that only 80% of your income truly belongs to you. The other 20%, put it in two portions, 10% and 10%, in two different bowls or accounts, and you can use that amount for your necessities over a period of time, but you have to pay interest to your own money. And you should understand they are labeled for something else, not for you. Any day you have to understand you can take healthy 80% out of your income, and 20%, 10 plus 10, has to be left behind. Money does not stay in the hands of promise breakers. Even mountains melt away. One generation is lost into indiscipline, arrogance and laziness if illegitimate wealth is imprisoned into lockers and cupboards. Last but not the least, paying taxes is a fundamental duty of a good citizen. Understand this. Let money be in rotation. Here is the powerful mantra that helps you accumulate wealth and healthy money in your lives. Nidhisha mantra. Om Koshadhishaya Hrim Vam Shrim Naravahanaya Kuberaya Yaksharajaya Sampadam Sthiram Kuru Kuru Swaha. This Nidhisha mantra is a very powerful mantra. Chant this Nidhisha mantra during sunrise and sunset 48 or 108 times each time. You can chant this mantra anytime, but this is a very powerful muhurta which I am telling you, sunrise and sunset. You can choose to chant it 48 times if you are busy, or 108 times chanting is very good. It is even more powerful if you can chant Sri Suktam after this amazing Nidhisha mantra chanting. You can experience abundance, respect wealth and love money. Here is the powerful mantra that helps you accumulate wealth and healthy money in your lives. chant along with me. Remember it, receive it as an initiation. Nidhisha mantra. Om Koshadhishaya Hrim Vam Shrim Naravahanaya Kuberaya Yaksharajaya Sampadam Sthiram Kuru Kuru Swaha. Om Koshadhishaya Hrim Vam Shrim Naravahanaya Kuberaya Yaksharajaya Sampadam Sthiram Kuru Kuru Swaha. Om Koshadhishaya Hrim Vam Shrim Naravahanaya Kuberaya Yaksharajaya Sampadam Sthiram Kuru Kuru Swaha. This is a very powerful mantra. Pass it on. Sincerely chant this mantra. This can generate lot of wealth in your lives. You will be attracted towards something which makes healthy money for you. But understand money properly and follow the rules explained in this video. Thank you very much for being with me. Inner Vision Talk Series 8, The Secret of Riches. Thank you. Thank you very much. Aditya Sakshi, Sampurna Raksha. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudatyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Gruni Surya Aditya Om Gruni Surya Aditya Purnanandaya Om Aditya Sakshi Sampurna Raksha. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Hari Om Tat Sat. Mitraya Namaha. Welcome to Energy Circle's VSP 1080 channel. Thank you for the amazing response. Please do not forget to pass it on and subscribe. Thank you very much. Aditya Sakshi Sampurna Raksha.